Mathematics 1, January 2016 exam, question 10. Given matrices A, B and C, evaluate the following expressions. To multiply two matrices together, you multiply the rows in the first matrix by the columns in the second matrix. So what I do is I imagine writing the numbers in the first column over the second one. So it's going to be 2 times minus 2 plus minus 3 times 2. 2 times minus 2 minus 3 times 2. And then it's going to be 1 times minus 2 plus 4 times 2. Those are my first two terms. And then you take the second column, which is minus 3 and 4. So it's going to be 2 times minus 3 times 4 plus 1 times minus 3 plus 4 times 4. And then just as a check, look at this matrix. It goes 2, 1, minus 3, 4, 2, 1, minus 3, 4, 2, 1, minus 3, 4. And this matrix goes minus 2, 2, minus 2, 2, minus 2, 2. And then it's minus 3, 4, minus 3, 4, minus 3, 4. And if you evaluate those, you get the answer. Part 2, B times A. The technique is the same, but the matrices are in the opposite order. So this time we've got B, which is minus 2, minus 3, 2, 4, times A. So imagine putting the 2 and the 1 over the top here. So you're going to get minus 2 times 2, minus 3 times 1. So minus 2 times 2, minus 3 times 1. And 2 times 2 plus 4 times 1. And then you take the next column, the minus 3 and the 4, and put those across the top. So you're going to get minus 2 times minus 3 times 4. And you're going to get 2 times minus 3 plus 4 times 4. And again, check as before. In the columns we've got minus 2, 2, minus 3, 4, minus 2, 2, minus 3, 4, minus 2, 2, minus 3, 4. And then in the rows we've got 2, 1, which is 2, 1, 2, 1, and minus 3, 4, minus 3, 4, minus 3, 4. And if you evaluate that, you'll get the matrix there. Part B. Given matrices A and C from question 10a and an unknown vector x which is made of u and v, expand that set of equations to find the values of u and v. So if we write those down, we've got the A matrix times x is equal to the C matrix. So let's expand the A matrix. So we're going to take the u and the v and place them over the top here. So we're going to get 2u minus 3v equals minus 3. And we're going to get u plus 4v is equal to 2. I've called the first equation equation 1, but because I've got a 2u there, I'm going to multiply the second equation by 2. So I've got 2u plus 8 is equal to 4. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So 2u minus 2u, the u's will disappear. I've got 8v minus 3v, so that will give me 11v is equal to 7. So v is equal to 7 over 11. Now we need to find u, so I'll substitute this value of v into equation 1 here. So I've got 2u minus 3, and instead of v I'm going to write 7 over 11. 7 over 11. So taking this number to the other side, I've got 2u is equal to minus 3 plus 21. 3 times 7 is 21. 21 over 11. Put the right hand side over a common denominator, so 3 becomes 33 over 11. Minus 33 plus 21 gives me minus 12 over 11, and this is 2u, so u is equal to minus 6 over 11. We could have made a mistake deriving u and v, so we should do a sanity check here. So we're going to substitute our value for u and v into this equation here. U is equal to minus 6 over 11, and 4 times v is 4 times 7 over 11. 4 7s are 28, 28 minus 6 is 22, 22 divided by 11 gives us 2, which is what we expected.